I welcome you all for this pre-open market analysis session. Before going into the session, let's verify whether the audio and video broadcast is working fine. So if you have any service related queries, please call 044-4032-9999, which is our customer support number. For new account opening, market, your trading account reactivation or related to trading ideas, tips or anything, please give a missed call to 937 927. Okay. If you want to write any feedback, please write to our email ID promotions@gwcindia.biz. Okay. With this short introduction, let's go for today's schedule, and it is planned like this. First, we will start with Nifty index futures and Bank Nifty index futures. We will go through few stocks in the cash market segment, and after that we will go to commodities, right from crude oil, natural gas, nickel, copper, gold mini and silver mini. We will try to analyze it. So this is our course schedule. Please, if you don't trade in any of these various segments or various financial instruments, you can wait. And all these are recorded sessions, so that everything is broadcasted live in YouTube, Facebook, and our desktop version, Android version. So this is the case. If you have any queries, pass on through the chat option available, and by the end of the session we will try to answer all the queries. Okay, let's start with from Nifty index futures, and this is the SGX Singapore Exchange price direction for Nifty index, and you could see that going to minimize this. Okay, fine. And you can notice now the price is trading around 9,160. And what happened after yesterday's price closing? Maybe this is the yesterday's price closing, 9,100 or within this range. And in the night session, we know that US market is down, so Nifty followed the US market, and till 8,800 the price came down, and now the price is trading at near 9,179. So how we are going to use this information in our NSE? Let's go and see how the price is, what we can do in our NSE chart. So this is what happened in the yesterday's trading session, and we had drawn the trend channels to guide us, and effectively the price came and tested all the base. So today you can expect Nifty to open somewhere here. So this is the possible price opening, and we can say this 9,200 is a very good level, and possibly we need to stay along with the trend. There may be some profit booking if the price is moving above 9,200. You can expect some sort of bounce back, but what I feel is again these trend lines, okay, this should act as a resistance, which shows that whatever might be the bounce back, you will get 9,350, 60 or 9,420 where you can go for selling. Okay, so probably today also you can expect the market to come down for selling, but if the price is opening above 9,200, wait for the price to climb near 9,320. This level, the max level can be 9,400, 450. Depends upon how we are going to wait. You may ask, why can't we go for a buying? Because things are happening after a long time. It's a thumb rule that we don't go and do against the trend, wishing that something will happen. We are not going to do that. Stay along with the trend, and if you fear that, because nowadays you could see the volatility is 100 points, Nifty is moving, so better you try to do in the options contract. Maybe you can sell call option or buy put option. In both the ways you will stay along the downside of the market, or your expectation is on the selling side. So both the ways you can do it. The target is maybe if you ask us what is our view in terms of your short term in Nifty, and already we have posted this, but again we want to show that this is the monthly chart, this is the weekly chart for Nifty, and we have drawn two two trend channels. This is one path which track the long-term trend, and this is another path. So two path we have, and the price tested here, but we are not happy with this correction of the price reached 8,200 because it didn't give any opportunity for the traders to put their funds. So it came down and the trading was halted. Once that opens up, things went up. So no investors would have purchased or did something. Maybe the retail investors, maybe the smart money like fund managers or institutions, they would have done the job. So probably the view is now the price is, you could see that the price is trading in this level, some 9,200. Maybe it will go and hit this blue line and it can come down, but we feel that this white color line, maybe 8,200 can be tested, or 8,000, 7,600. If things are going worse in the international market, that will pressurize our Indian Nifty to test 8,200 or 8,600. But even you may not, it should not take us with the surprise even if the price is bouncing back from these levels also. So it is not a surprise pack, but still 8,200 and 8,600 will be the great zone for us to go for buying a Nifty. And see, market has discounted everything. That is the base in technical analysis. The technical analysis says that price discounts everything. So whatever you are seeing is the discounted version. Everything is discounted in terms of price. Okay, so price is the fastest news. Whatever you are seeing here reflects the trader sentiments, investor sentiments. So whenever the price drops, in long term view, you need to go for a buy. Only out of fear you can make money. So as an investor, if you want to do something in this market, and maybe we can say that so many factors around this, and now you could see all the news, everything is a fearful news, but what we feel, this is the smart time for investor to enter into the market and to make some money. So this I'm going to clear the annotations, and we are very clear that if you can make use of this particular zone now for investing, and surely you will see the price above this in the years to come. So if you talk about investment, then equity market investment is always good compared to gold or real estate. So this is the time where you need to hold on your nerves for this another 1,000 to maybe from 9,000 till 7,000. If you see, if you can hold your nose for 2,000 points by picking some right stocks, and surely you can expect much greater returns in the coming days. So economy will forget about the European countries, Americans and everything. So Indian economy will grow, but in terms of short term, we had already given our view. So for day trading point of view, sell on tops, but positional point of view, please, if you have funds, then this is the right time to invest. So so now what happens in Bank Nifty? So, okay, this is the Bank Nifty chart, and yesterday the price closed near 23, and today see, wait for the price to come near 23,400, go for selling. You will get some point, maybe some 100-200 points drop. Place your stop somewhere above this or above this zone. Maybe if you're going to work on options, you can select some out of money options or at the money option to have some advantage over the stop. Put option, buyer of put option, or be a seller of call option. That will be very good if you can go for selling the options rather than going for buying, because the volatility, the premium includes the volatility. Since the price is dropping, the volatility will be high, so the premium will be high. So that's the one reason, one advantage you get by selling these, be a seller. But in day trading, that is not going to play a much impact. But of course you can trade both the ways, but we want to stay along with the trend, and we feel that the price will open somewhere here. It can move till and then drop. We want to stay along with the trend for today also. So in both the cases, go for selling if you expect the target, maybe some 100-200 points. If there is a drop, book it and exit from the market. we can clearly notice that there is huge volatility in both across the segments. Even in commodities also there is huge volatility, but consistency is the key. We need to prove the consistency. That is, we should maintain our discipline, go according with the trading plan, go according with the strategy. This is how a day traders can make profit in any market conditions. Okay, so with this we are coming to the end of this index analysis, both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's go and see some few stocks. Okay, since the price opening is more or less within the range, we will be comfortable in looking at few stocks. See, this is the Tata Steel first. Only for day trading, from day trading point of view we are speaking. Tata Steel, today the expectation is the price can open little bit on the same zone or little bit higher, so maybe 292. Okay, sell till 296 by placing stop at 298, expecting the price to come down. Again we will be staying on the selling side, but if the price is opening around 296, okay, then go for selling till 302 by placing stop at 304, and you should expect the price to come down. So it depends upon where the price is going to open. Maybe if the price is opening below or near 290 or below 290, below the yesterday's price closing, then 294 should be the stop. It's very simple calculation that we have drawn all the supports and resistance, and if the price is opening here, this is your resistance, and 2 point above that is your stop. Okay, based on that you can adjust your view or take a snapshot of this, and you can have it for Tata Steel the price opening. But as per our view, the price opening should be above or near 292, so that you can go for selling till 296 by placing stop at 298, or you can wait for the price to test to 302, then go for selling by placing stop loss further above that. Okay, so Tata Steel, it's a the price, you need not go for buying. Let the price move above the average, then we will think about buying. We feel that you may get some short term buying now and then. Also within this week there will be some chances for buying. ICICI Bank today, see, you may get the price to open somewhere near 404, and 406 can be tested. So go for selling near 408. Within this 408 and 406, go for selling by placing stop at 410, expecting the price to come down. This is a cash market segment, and equity cash segment. I'm not showing the index chart, futures chart. So for ICICI, 406 408 sell and place stop at 410, and you get some 2-4 points profit, book it and exit from the market. So Ultratech Cement, so now you can very well expect the price to open somewhere near 3560. So 3640 will be the stop loss. Sell till 3620, the yesterday's average resistance zone, and you can expect the price to drop down. Ajati is 3600 will be a good resistance for Ultratech Cement. So again you can expect the price to come down. So that's all we have for Ultratech. It's quite clear. Again we want to stay on the sell side. So SBI is one stock which we feel that you can go for buying. So surprisingly we feel that there is something in SBI which is not dropping. So whenever the price moves, it's moving up fast. So we feel that see the price opening, whether the price can move above 226. So if the price is going to move above 226, go for buying. Okay, it's a very critical zone. So it is a breakout buying, but you can go do the other way also. If the price is opening up within 224, somewhere within the zone, you can buy, but the stop loss is 220. Okay, the whatever you are going to do, the stop loss is going to be 220, not within that any zone, because we feel that 220 it is a positional entry zone and also a perfect zone, key zone for SBI. So if there is any sort of buying because of profit booking that is going to happen in Nifty, Bank Nifty, so it will put the price above and towards 232. So SBI, I feel that it's a good stock and it's a very good price. You can go for buying, you can take a positional or long-term delivery in this price. Surely it's a very very good price for SBI. So for SBI, we want to stay on the buying side. Okay, one stock we have for buying, that is SBI. The Grasim, it moves along with the index mostly. So probably somewhere near 580 the price will open. It will straight away go and test 586 and it will drop. That's our expectation. So your stop is 589. So 589, 590 can be the stop for Grasim, or if you can wait still further. If you're not in a hurry, then sell till 592 by placing stop at 594 or 595, expecting the price to come down. So for Grasim, our view is on the downside. Okay. So Zeal is dropping. So what we can do in Zeal? So here we will take some risk in Zeal based on price opening. So if the price is going to open somewhere above 167, 166, this particular zone, go for buying by placing stop at 164. So Zeal, we are taking some risk in Zeal. Okay, we feel that this zone 160, 162, these are all some support for Zeal, where the market peoples will pick their long-term positions. There will be some regular buy orders coming within this zone which can push Zeal up. So our view for Zeal, both in terms of day trading and in terms of positions, it's a buy call in Zeal. So buy Zeal, buy SBI. That's our view. You can have your own view also. Nothing wrong in that. So Sun Pharma, we want to stay on the selling side, even though it's in a critical point. But 360, it had tested thrice within this month. So it came down to 360 more than 2-3 times. But we don't know the risk here. We will wait and see. 372, 376 sell Sun Pharma, 378 the stop. We need to see whether the price can break 360 or not. We feel that some platform people are playing in that platform, and 360, if Nifty breaks 360, will be easily broken. So Sun Pharma, we want to stay on the sell side, but even though it's in a very critical buy area. For PL again, we feel that PL is a dropping stock and it could not withstand it. Sell till 920 by placing stop at 940, expecting the price to come and hit 820, 760, and everything can happen in PL. So PL, again, we expect PL to drop. Bajaj Finance is another stock we want to stay on the buying side. So we have something we expect Bajaj Finance to do, but it's purely on price opening. We want to see where the price is opening, or whether if the price is going to move above 3680, there are many chances Bajaj Finance can show a bounce back. But if the price is going to open somewhere near 3640 or below the zone, and it will take resistance here, again Bajaj Finance is losing its momentum on the buying side. Wait so that the price will drop further, you will get some good points for buying. So Bajaj Finance, buy only above 3680, or else stay away from the market. It's going to drop, or you can take some sell call in options or in cash market segments. Okay, see, whatever information we are giving, you can try that in the options market. Okay, because so that's all we have for the equity segments. So I hope we have few stocks: Bajaj Finance, SBI, Zeal, which we feel that there is something that can happen on the buying side. But still we have some 1 hour time, maybe 45 minutes of time. What we saw in SGX is a 10 minutes delayed price within last 1 hour. Nowadays every minute some big actions are coming in. So it's time for us to go to commodities. Let's see the commodities market. So let's start from crude oil. Okay, crude oil. What's happening in crude oil? So crude oil, this is an IMAX 1 hour chart, and it says that it's trying to recover something because the price, this is 1 hour chart, which means that it's trading above the yesterday's closing. How we are going to use this information in crude oil, and this is the information. Yesterday we had a very big drop in crude oil and price stayed along with the trend. That was our expectation, and that happened. And today you can expect crude to open somewhere near 2220 or 2260. Within this range you can expect crude to open. We feel that patiently wait for the price to come near 2320. So 2320, and go for selling by placing stop at 2340. So the price will again drop. So along the trend, still again we want to stay on the downside. Okay, we know that 2200 and these are very good levels, but still we feel something is happening in the international price where the price is not moving up and it's losing momentum. So probably a testing towards $25-26 in the international market is possible, and we have 2 days for expiry. So tomorrow and after 19 we have expiry, so we don't want to risk much. Wait for the price to come near 2300, 320, go for selling by placing stop at 2340, expecting the price to reach 2260, 20 or 100, all the supports, all the possible targets. So as far as crude oil is concerned, it's quite easy. So the price is likely to continue its trend. So let's see natural gas. So natural gas is another commodity, and we could see it's hitting the low in the 1 hour chart in NYMEX. So let's go to the MCX price, which means that it can open somewhere near 134, 133, near the yesterday's low. We can go for selling. If the price is below 136 or 133, if the price is opening below 133, where we will place the stop loss, that is a 1 lit area. There is no doubt that the price can move down. Actual stop loss should be placed at 137 if the price is opening at 133, which will be a wide range of stop, but there is no other option. Only area where you can reduce your stop is 134.70. You can place your stop. Apart from that, anywhere above that you cannot place your stop. So take your trading decision accordingly, or else you can wait for the price to move up, but this is a critical zone where the price can give a breakdown also very easily. So based on the funds, you need to take your decision. So one is a very strict stop loss, maybe some 2-point stop loss, or else you need to go for one stop loss till 137, or you need to average till 137, but both the ways 132 is the target and 130 is the next target. Okay, so that's all we have for natural gas. The next is let's see nickel and copper. So international COMEX price is showing some bounce back which means that in MCX yesterday we had some good selling, so it dropped completely till 882 880s level. It came down. So again it closed here, but seeing the COMEX price, we can very well say the price can open near 904. Okay, 904. So the issue is wait for the price to come near 906, or even the price may be opening at 906. The idea is, if the price is opening at 904, okay, assuming the price opens at 904, it will go and test 906, go for selling by placing stop at 908. Or if the price is opening at 906, the price will move and test 910, go for selling by placing stop at 913, expecting the price to come down. Both the ways we want to hit on the resistance, and then we want to stay on the downside, book profit at support and exit from the market. Even though we are witnessing some sort of bounce back, we feel that the price will continue its selling. Okay, but book profit and exit, even though you see that the volatility is very high, nickel after increasing the contract size is moving here and there, so volatility is good, you can still make profit in day trading. So for day traders, we feel only for volatility, we don't feel for the directions. So what about copper? So let's see the COMEX price and then compare. So we will have a view. We use the COMEX international prices just to have the view, and then we will leave that. We don't see look for any support or resistance in this. You can notice that it's consolidating near the yesterday's low. So how we are going to put that in the MCX price? So copper, we had a big selling. So 418, it lost everything, and that's what we expected. And today it will be opening somewhere near this zone. So 414 shall be the stop, and you can expect copper to hit 406, 408. These are all the targets. So copper is quite clear. So 414 should be the good level for selling, or if you feel that you can wait for the price, sell at 416, place stop at 418, expecting the price to come down. In both the ways, everything is on the selling side. So it depends upon the patience, if you can wait, or you may be missing something right away. It can also drop. This is the consolidation zone which we are facing. So for copper also, it's on the downside. Now let's move on to gold and silver. So gold, in the sense, we feel we do only on gold mini. So gold yesterday, this is the COMEX price, and it shows the price had dropped, and it's dropping. Okay, actually speaking, so somebody is regularly asked for COMEX price. I'm decreasing it to a 5-hour chart, and yesterday you could see the price dropped here, and now it is staying here along the resistance. So let me draw that. Please be patient, and maybe around we are starting this commodity session after 8:30, so you can come and attend this session. So these are the various levels in COMEX gold. So this is a 5-hour chart where the price had tested this bottom, and it is staying now here. So obviously we should expect the price to come down. So gold, after showing a clear bounce back, had lost everything. This is gold. Okay, it takes so much of effort to move up, and it climbs down fast. Okay, so this is a 5-hour chart. So probably gold is testing the low in the recent from 912. So all the price data is here. You can see 8/25 2019, which means from November 2019 we have this data. So how we are going to put this in the MCX gold mini price? Let's go and see the MCX price. yesterday what happened? Yes, 41,200 straight away drop. We also felt that gold should drop, and now on seeing the recent price, let's see where the price can open. So I'm going to enlarge the scale, change it to 1 hour. So yesterday's price closing will be somewhere here, maybe lower than the yesterday's price closing show. So gold can open somewhere near 39,200. Fine, gold can open somewhere near 39,200. So here the price can open. So 39,800 the stop, 39,600 resistance. It should come down. Okay, gold can come down today. So we are good in picking the reversal. Please patiently wait, follow our analysis every day. So whenever there is some signs for reversal, we will try to pick that up. Okay, so till now the gold, it's on the downside, so you can expect 38,600 or 38,200. Okay, 38,200. So gold is coming down, so nothing to worry. So even it can come down further. No. So what about silver? So silver is leading this drop. What I'm going to do, I will put some 5-hour chart in silver. You can see the 5-hour chart says that I'm going to decrease it from 5/10/2019 in international market, which means that silver price is somewhere far below compared to the gold. Okay, it's in the this year a low silver is trading, and yesterday it dropped a lot in. So now it is trading somewhere here. I'm going to change it to 1 hour chart. So it's trading somewhere here. Okay, fine. How we are going to do that in silver mini? So probably we need to fix it somewhere here, 36,000. So 36,000 is the price where you can fix the today's price opening somewhere here. So go for selling by placing stop at 36,400, expecting the silver price to come down further. So in silver again, you can expect a drop. Silver, we had said many times that gold is moving up, silver is not moving to that extent. Silver is dropping, and silver is showing some signs of weakness compared to gold. But let's see, people call gold as a safe haven. When everything drops, gold should move up. At least we will use some time to see the bottom where it is coming. So as far as today, gold, silver is going to drop, and metals, nickel, copper also we want to stay on the selling side. Crude, natural gas, we want to stay on the selling side. Nifty, bank nifty, we want to stay on the selling side. Apart from SBI, Bajaj Finance, Zeal, and one more stock, we want to stay on the buying side. So few buys and lot of sells. So today also you can expect the market to come down. With this we are coming to the end of this session, and it is time for question and answers. Okay. So let's focus on question and answer session, and I want to answer one query which I didn't do yesterday about UPL. Somebody asked for UPL. So this is the monthly chart for UPL, and it's trading out 37600. And if you see the history of UPL from 2010, it started from 50 rupees and it went to 700 rupees. Very good money in UPL. People had made some money, we don't know. But as far as the UPL is in long-term view is concerned, here it had given a correction and it follows a pattern. Okay, it follows a pattern, and this pattern you could see there is a break-in trend here, which means that if the overall sentiment is down, 260 should be the good area for people to enter UPL, which also marks this zone support. So if you get 260 or 220 or some 200 zones which the price can test very easily, if things are not moving in the right direction, if the entire global economy is going to push the Indian stock price down, it's showing us a very good opportunity for buying. Okay, so let's answer a few questions. Which is better, commodity or stocks? It depends upon see, everything is good. All our financial instruments. See, nothing is worst or nothing is bad. Which is better, commodities or stock? It is picking up the financial instrument. You need to ask the question yourself: what is your investment levels? What is your objective? What is your returns, expected returns? What is the time available? How you want the financial instrument to be, whether it should be fast and furious like gold, silver, nifty, bank nifty, or it should be slow, like base metals like zinc, lead, or some equity stocks, or you want to learn and trade. If you want to do some learning process and then trading, go to introduce yourself to the equity cash segments and then come back and then go to options, then come to derivatives. So many questions you should answer. Which shares are the best for investment in this time? So many shares are here, so maybe at hundreds of shares are at very good price. You can buy a few picks like Maruti's. So it depends upon few people. They believe that they want to buy shares in trading in small numbers like 200 rupees shares, 500 rupees shares. So that's their part. But we feel that so many good stocks are always the buy only stocks are coming down, like Eicher Motor, Escorts. You can buy MCX shares, IRCTC shares. Recently it went up, it came down, and SBI is a very good pick now. SBI, IOC. IOC is now 88 rupees or 90 rupees. It's a very good price. So you have shares where you can buy for nearly 25-50 lakhs. So this is the right time. Buy some good stocks like Nestle, Britannia. These are all always buy only stocks where we don't want to break our heads analyzing whether it will move up or not. Like Eicher Motor, Escorts Communications, Maruti. See, the Maruti is the only automobile which is doing something in the automobile sectors, and it is dropping. So many stocks. Ultratech Cements is one. Bajaj Finance, Muthoot Finance, Thangamile Jewelries. So many stocks are there. Anything you, if you, whatever funds you have, you buy and leave it up. But it should be long term. I'm saying that for 5-10 years or 15-20 years, you should have that view. Not buying today and just reading the papers every day and just putting some pressure on yourself. Volume, we have a separate session. You can go and see our webinar recorded session available in the YouTube homepage. The importance of volume. So how to see volume and correlate the price for picking the right stocks. So you see that people speak about so much things about volume, but we do analyze volume in a practical way, understanding, comparing the price and volumes, where the volume is playing its part. But historically, we will move around the chart based if you think about long-term investment. But in shorter time frames like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, we don't believe. It's my personal view. Few experts are there who can do that, but that's my personal view. In short-term day trading, I don't feel that looking at volumes will play because you cannot see so many factors when you're doing day trading. See, you can hit on this level within. We live as a day trader within a day or within few minutes or few hours. So how many things we can do? So we need to hit on certain things and play some stop and exit. So if you have any other question, please pause on. So yes, time to invest. Come on, we have been so here so many things. Speaking UPL, you see, people's have bought this and they're holding that stock in long term to make money. So not don't give up even if you get 5-10%. Okay, 5-10% within few days. Okay, the product get bounced back 10%. Take buy and hold it in long term. You can beat all the fund managers across India and the globe. Okay. Yes, it is today also we want to sell on crude. It's on the downside. People who are late for the session, you have some wonderful technological solution. Everything is recorded here in YouTube and Facebook. Go back to our homepage, and from 9 o'clock, just you can scroll down and see the schedule. Like from 8:35 or 8:30, we will start commodity session. So that will help you. Okay. So how about any other questions we have? So gold also, yes, gold also we expect the selling to happen, because for gold we did some COMEX analysis and we showed some stuff. The stop loss and everything we already discussed. Please see the recorded session. Don't worry, everything is recorded, and that job is done by YouTube and Facebook, and it will be in the home page. You can see that, or in our Facebook page you can see. Once we close this session, you will get that. So finally, let's see where the index is, SGX is doing. 9,149. So price is opening below 9,200. That is the question. So if it is something above 9,200, it gives a lot of momentum for buyers. Wait and see the price opening, the pressure what we are going to have. I feel that everything, so 9,000, 8,700, just a 2,000 point drop, if you can withstand. So for book for what? So I didn't get what type of books you are looking forward. Almost across whatever we know, we have taken all the classes, recorded sessions and uploaded. And we have even it will take some 2-3 months for time for you to see all the recorded sessions we have uploaded. Volume percentage of volume. See, apart from reading books, I can tell you that nowadays in this advanced technological world, you can go for online lectures. You can search in Udemy. Udemy, there are many courses available. Recorded videos available for volume, price interpretation for volume. Maybe I took the course from Mr. Hari Swaminathan. He's staying in US, but our South Indian guy who took class. So Udemy, search for volumes in technical analysis. So you will get that content. So based on that content only, I took those classes in volume. So our classes is a collective. Particularly what I teach is a collective representation of all the learned content. So you can take some online courses, video classes, rather than reading books. But if you are quite comfortable in reading books, you can search. I don't have a specific book on volume. So let's wait for a few minutes, a few seconds, and let's come to the end of the session. If you have any questions, please pause. Or please try to open your account. That is important. Try to open your trading account with us. Give a call to 937 927. Subscribe. Be a part of us. So that will encourage us also. So no point in just we need to survive. So help us, and in return we will also do some good for you most of the time. With this, we are coming to the end of this pre-open analysis session. I thank you everybody for spending your time in attending our session. Have a great day. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.